Good morning, students. In my last video I shared about the lives like animals as our friends. In that video I also shared about the importance of such animals. In my today's video I would like to share about the wild animals or wildlife. My dear students, it is true that the animals are our friends, but due to our activities like as the deforestation, cutting of forest, is it true that animals are safe? Obviously the answer is no. The animals are in danger because we have cleaned the large area of the forest due to our need or our selfishness. So in this topic, the wildlife, the animals that live, grow and survive in the natural surroundings. Natural surroundings are called wildlife. These includes plants and animals both. These includes plants and animal both. So you have to write the definition of wildlife: animals and plants that grow and live in their natural surroundings are called wildlife. Wildlife is found everywhere. What is their habitat? Their habitat is everywhere, such as in plains, mountains, rainforest, desert, seas, river, etc. For example, tiger, lion, monkey, elephant, bear, giraffe, leopard, wild buffalo, polar bear, panda, etc. These are called wild animals. These are called wild animals. Now, due to our activity, in last video I shared that we have cut down trees for agricultural area, to develop agricultural area, for road construction, railway construction and other purposes. Due to all these activities, a large number of forests are cut down. This is called deforestation. So deforestation leads to decrease the wildlife. Cutting of forest has cleaned a large area of forest, and this activity is destroying the natural habitats of wildlife. Due to cutting of forest, many wildlife are not able to live in their new situations and are becoming extinct. मतलब क्या हुआ? मतलब कि इस प्रैक्टिस से, डिफॉरेस्टेशन के कारण जो हमारे वाइल्ड लाइफ्स हैं, वाइल्ड एनिमल्स हैं, वो ग्रेजुअली विलुप्त होते जा रहे हैं, एक्सटिंक्ट, गायब हो रहे हैं. आने वाले समय में हम ऐसे एनिमल के बारे में सिर्फ सुनेंगे, बट वी विल नॉट एबल टू सी देम, वी विल नॉट एबल टू ऑब्जर्व देम इन द फॉरेस्ट. So the animals which are already no longer living nowadays are called extinct animals. Extinct animal क्या हैं? वे विलुप्त एनिमल हैं जो अब नहीं पाए जाते, अब नहीं पाए जाते. Animals which are no longer living are called the extinct animals. क्या बच्चों जानते हो ऐसे कौन से एनिमल्स हैं जो अब हमारे इस नेचुरल हैबिटेट में नहीं पाए जाते? सच एग्जाम्पल्स आर टैस्मेनियन टाइगर, quagga, passenger pigeon, golden toad, Caribbean monk, seal. These have already extinct. These animals are no longer living nowadays. Now ये तो गायब हो गए. अब कुछ ऐसे एनिमल हैं जो गायब होने के कगार पर हैं, विलुप्त होने के कगार पर हैं. Such animals are called endangered animals. Animals that are in danger of becoming extinct are called endangered animals. जो एनिमल अब फ्यूचर में कभी भी विलुप्त हो सकते हैं, उनकी संख्या 0 हो सकती है, ऐसी सिचुएशन में जो एनिमल पहुंच चुके हैं उन्हें हम endangered animals कहते हैं. Take some example of such animals. African elephant, Bactrian camel, golden lion, panda, tamarin, etc. These are endangered animals. So just you see the endangered animals. African elephant. Number 2, tamarin. Here you see, if the picture is clear, you see that it is tamarin. Looks like monkey. Number 3, panda. Number 4, Bactrian camel. Number 5, golden lion. Golden lion, you see this figure. Number 6, bald eagle. These are at the verge of extinct. So this is due to our activities. Human beings are totally responsible for the extinction, for the endangered stage of these animals. So what can we do in this situation? In many parts of the wildlife which are in danger because of many illegal hunting and poaching activities, due to our requirement or our entertainment, we kill the number of wildlife. Not only deforestation is responsible, but other activity, that is hunting practices, is also responsible of keeping such wildlife in endangered situation. There are animals which are being killed because their body parts are used by human. Earlier video I shared that we kill the elephant for its tusk, we kill the tigers for its claws and nail and head, we kill the other animals for skin, for their fur, for their bones, etc. Now let us find out which body part of various animals are being used for trading. Elephants are hunted for their tusk. The tusks are ivory, are used for making jewelry and decoration pieces. North and South American bears are also being killed for their gallbladder. Do you know that the American scientists, they collect the gallbladder and to make the medicines. Rhinoceros are being hunted for their horns. These are grounded into powder form to make medicines. Apart from that, kasturi, do you know? Kasturi is used for making scent or perfumes. It is present on musk deer is becoming extinct because it is being hunted to obtain kasturi. A variety of mountain goat is hunted because of their hair, which is used for making a variety of wool called pashmina. Tiger, it is also endangered throughout their range, are killed for making use of their bones. The skin of tigers are used to decorate walls by hunters. Tiger claws and teeth are worn as jewelry by many superstitious persons who think that these can bring them good luck. Legs of frogs are eaten. Caviar, another costly delicacy, is made from the unfertilized egg of a variety of fish. However, this has led to a steady decline in the number of such variety of fish. So these are certain examples, students, showing that the animals are hunted. This is also a factor for decreasing their numbers day by day, year by year, decade by decade, century by century, era by era. So our role is to think for their futures. Otherwise, in future they will be listed as the extinct animals. Thank you.